I get this question all the time. Devin, what does a realistic first 1-0 video plan look like for a new YouTube automation channel? Here's the rule. Your first 10 videos are not for scale. They're for finding one topic format package combo you can repeat. Use a 3-3-2-2 plan. Videos 1 to 3. Stay in one niche for one audience with 3 closely related topics. Keep the format the same. Same hook style, same pacing, same thumbnail look, same title pattern. You're testing click-through and retention without changing everything at once. Videos 4 to 6, take the strongest idea and make 3 variations. One broader, one more specific, and one more curiosity-driven. If none of the first 6 show promise, do not post 4 more random videos. Change the angle or change the niche. Videos 7 and 8, test series potential. Make a part 2, a comparison, or an updated version of the best topic. You want to know if the channel has depth, not just one lucky video. Videos 9 and 10, make 2 pillar videos. Higher effort scripting, tighter editing, stronger packaging. These should look like the version you'd eventually scale with a team. Beginner checklist, 1 niche, 3 title templates, 1 thumbnail style, 1 script structure, and 1 weekly publishing target. Track only 3 things: click-through rate, first, 3-0, second retention, and which topics are easiest to produce consistently. If you need one workflow layer to manage research, scripting, and handoffs, that's where Satura fits. So realistic first 10, 6 tests, 2 expansions, 2 scale candidates. That's enough data to know what to keep publishing.